What's that thing that you do when you use your computer or phone to note down words and search for information? Or maybe if you want to text your friends to let them know where you are and what you're doing? All of these actions need the skill to type. Typing is a skill that lets you encode letters and use them in a lot of ways, like communication, research, journaling, and more. I'm 100% sure that you are all an expert in typing, but later in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become more of an expert in that skill and use it to make money online at the same time. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Our website for today is called talentdesire.com, and we've shared this website with you guys before, but it's been so long since we did, and there have been some major and desirable upgrades that I just know you're gonna love. So let's go through this website once again just to remind you guys of how awesome this website is. Your dream career starts now. Work with popular brands and earn money online from home without investing a dime. How it works: explore jobs, select an online job from home and apply for free from all over the world. Get hired with Talent Desire. You can work at home and tap into a global network of work. Start work. We make it easy for you to connect with popular employers and begin doing work from home and collect earnings. Choose a payment method that works best for you, from PayPal to wire transfer and more. Some worldwide popular jobs that this website offers are freelance blogging jobs. You should expect to get minimum work of $1,500 per month, and you can earn up to $75 to $225 or more every day. There's language translation jobs. You can earn up to $27 to $108 or more every day, and you should expect to get the minimum work of $675 per month. There are online proofreading jobs. You can earn up to $10 to $37 or more per hour. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. There are medical transcription jobs. You can earn up to $90 to $180 or more per day, and you should expect to get minimum work of $2,250 per month. There are content writing jobs. You should expect to earn $15 to $105 per day or more and get the minimum work of $375 per month. There are online paid survey jobs. You can earn up to $5 to $75 or more per paid survey. There's affiliate marketing jobs. You should expect to get a minimum work of $1,250 per month, and you can earn up to $25 to $400 per day or more. There are online teaching jobs. You can earn up to $60 to $112 or more per day, and you should expect to get minimum work of $1,500 per month. And there are online typing jobs, which you can earn up to $45 to $90 or more per day. Now, you can do all of these if you're capable, but we're going to be focusing on online typing jobs, so let's go ahead and click on that. Online typing jobs, a wonderful way to earn money with your typing skills. If you want to earn some extra money working from home on your computer and schedule, then online typing job is perfect for you. You will find jobs for all levels of typing skills, from beginner to an expert home-based typist. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer: PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. We are looking for a typist to perform typing and word processing tasks for our worldwide clients. There are no minimum entry barriers, but you can find out more about the basic requirements. So they offer top pay. You can earn up to $13,500 to $27,000 or more per year. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. There's guaranteed work. You should expect to get the minimum work of $1,125 per month. There are online jobs, which are worldwide, part-time and full-time work from home jobs. Only you will need a quiet place for your freelance work. The pay rates, they are ready to pay best in the market for the typing work, but they really expect in return from you a good accuracy work in the borderline time period as per their terms. Rates vary from company to company, work nature, and accuracy levels. To sign up, just scroll to the most bottom part of the page and click on Apply Now. Make sure you pay close attention to the application process because it's kind of a long way to get to your final destination, so follow along. When you click on Apply Now, you're going to be taken to here. Then you're going to click on Select an application form. Then you're going to choose an online application form. Then you're going to click on Fill in your details to apply and work with us. And then finally, you're at the application page and you can start filling up all of the personal information being asked of you. So that's going to be your first name, your last name, your email, your contact number, your resident country, the zip, then your professional information, which will include your preferred job title, and you are applying as a transcriptionist, so choose that. The best time for you, and we recommend that you say like any day if there is that option, so they know you're always available, and that is always a plus when it comes to applying, letting your employers know that you're always available, that you're willing to take any job possible. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Next thing you're gonna have to fill up is your payment method. So you could just choose PayPal or whatever works for you, but PayPal is the easiest one. If you don't have any from the options, you can just go to paypal.com, create a PayPal account, and you're pretty much good to go. Then your current profession status, then you're going to agree to the terms and conditions, you're going to insert your e-signature, you're going to confirm that you are not a robot, then you're going to hit on submit, and just like that, you're going to be sent an email confirming your application and of course your acceptance, and you can immediately start working. It's as easy as that. So make sure that you try this website out and let us know how it goes in the comments down below, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.